autism, ADHD, dyslexia, PTSD, hypermobile joints like HEDS, HSD, and scoliosis often co-occur due to overlapping genetic factors, shared pathways affecting connective tissue and the nervous system, and shared challenges like sensory issues, dysautonomia, and motor difficulties, creating a complex interplay where physical symptoms, pain, fatigue from hypermobility or scoliosis, can worsen cognitive or emotional symptoms, ADHD, anxiety from PTSD, and vice versa, impacting daily function significantly. Key connections and overlaps: neurodivergence and hypermobility, HEDS, HSD. Strong link: high rates of hypermobility, bendy joints, pain, fatigue, are found in autistic and ADHD individuals, suggesting shared roots, possibly in collagen or connective tissue genes. Symptom overlap: both involve proprioception issues, knowing where your body is, motor clumsiness, sensory sensitivities, and autonomic dysfunction, dizzy spells, fast heart rate. Interference: hypermobility pain or fatigue can worsen. ADHD focus, impulsivity, and stress or anxiety, making PTSD triggers harder to manage. Scoliosis, often linked to hypermobility, HEDS, due to unstable joints affecting spinal alignment, or as a separate issue, adds physical challenges, back pain, posture, that compound other conditions. ADHD and dyslexia, neurodevelopmentally, often co-occur with each other, and hypermobility or autism, sharing challenges with executive function, sensory processing, and attention. PTSD, a stress response that can coexist with any of these, often triggered or worsened by chronic pain, sensory overload, or feeling misunderstood, common in neurodivergence. How they work together: the experience, sensory overload, overly flexible joints, internal pain, loud sounds, or lights from autism or hypermobility can trigger fight or flight responses, worsening PTSD and ADHD symptoms. Physical versus mental strain: managing chronic pain, fatigue from hypermobility or scoliosis, drains energy needed for focus, ADHD, or emotional regulation, PTSD, creating a cycle. Dysautonomia, shared autonomic issues, dizziness, heart issues, can feel like panic attacks, PTSD, or contribute to ADHD focus issues. Executive function, difficulty planning, organizing, and regulating emotions is common across ADHD, autism, and can be exacerbated by the stress of managing chronic physical conditions. In essence, these conditions aren't isolated. They form a complex web, where issues in one area, like joint instability, can trigger or intensify problems in others, like attention or anxiety.